Emma ydw i. Dwi'n dysgu mewn ysgol yng Nghasnewydd fel Athrawes. Dwi'n dysgu blwyddyn 4 ar hyn o bryd. Mwynhauais i cwrs sylfaen yn fawr iawn. Dysgais i siarad, darllen a ysgrifennu yn Gymraeg yn fwy hyderus nawr. Dwi'n gobeithio bydde hyder newydd yn helpu fi gallu dysgu fwy effeithiol. Dwi'n meddwl bydde i'n gallu helpu'r athrawon yn fy hysgol i gyda ein iaith hefyd. I applied for the course because I found myself, especially teaching in year 6, getting to the point where the children knew as much as I did about the language, and we were getting about halfway through the year, and basically it got to the point where I could not give them any more. I couldn't help them at all because my language was limited. And when you're trying to push for level 4s and 5s in year 6, and your best Welsh speaking teacher is finding it difficult to push them as far as they can go, that is such a shame. And that's why I wanted to come on the course, and I really, really believe that it has helped me improve my language skills, and that when I go back to school, I in turn now will be able to get the most out of the children and really give them, by the end of year 6, the levels that they deserve.